the information about our latest event, that is the Chak De India 2 ride. Most of you probably were present when we had this event last August, the Chak De India 1 ride, and it was a spectacular success with massive participation. There was a huge turnout of cyclists at that event, and this year we wanted to do even better. And after we announced the event, then came the announcement from the PMO that Prime Minister Modi will be visiting Hyderabad on the same day, 7th. Decided to invite the Prime Minister himself. So we went ahead and invited Prime Minister Modi to flag off our event, and we said, to make it convenient to you, we'll do it right at the airport. All you have to do is just pay 15 minutes. The Prime Minister said that Hyderabad Bicycling Club is doing a great job, and the latest project that they have taken up is commendable in collaboration with the Hyderabad Metro Rail and UN Habitat. That is commendable, and well, we appreciate this project and this initiative. So, though we could not get him physically with us, we got his support, we got his encouragement for our project, and we are very happy about it. Then, well, the ride will go on as planned. This event we have two categories, a 10-kilometer mass ride and 50-kilometer endurance ride. And as I said, there will be very good participation. Hyderabad Bicycling Club has transformed the mindset of people towards cycling. Earlier, cycling was always looked down, and there were not many takers. So much so that when we started promoting cycling, what we call cycling advocacy, we had just 800 members in Hyderabad Bicycling Club. And in the past 4 years, it jumped to 12,000. We have 12,000 members in our Hyderabad Bicycling Club, and we became the world's largest cycling club online. And I'm sure this can be taken further up, and you may laugh at us, but our target is, in the next 5 years, we want to be 1 lakh strong, 100,000 members strong, and I'm sure we can achieve it. There are a lot of youngsters as well as even senior citizens taking to cycling, and we have virtually started a cycling revolution. And this Chak De India Ride is another step in that direction.